right, we're gonna see which one's faster. 21 XMR Defender, 22 Defender Lonestar, both 32s. This one has A-arms and a clutch kit. When y'all are ready, go. I don't really know what happened because I turned away. They were throwing stuff at me, but I assume Austin got the jump, so he won, and I almost got hit with rocks. Neither one of them had it in four-wheel drive, so we're gonna try it again. The outcome looked to be the same that time. They were both in four-wheel drive. The XMR looks like it took it. Y'all count it.
Are you giving it a little bit? No. Gonna get hurt, son.
You want to brake launch it?
Whatever.
No, I don't want to break this shit. Breaking a
I ain't worried about this one. 1, 2, 3.
He's in reverse, you dummy. All right.
1, 2, 3.
One, two, three. So every time the XMR gets it, unless we put it in low, then the Lonestar takes it. The only difference is tires and a clutch kit. So the XMR has 32-inch carnivores, which are 9 pounds lighter than the 32-inch XTR 370s. The Lonestar has X3 wheels. The XMR has HD wheels, but the XMR is stock other than that. The Lonestar has a clutch kit and forward A-arms. So there you go. There's the difference. Obviously this video is not super scientific. Each of them have different things. Like the XMR has much lighter tires. Rotating mass is a big deal. And it also has other factory things that the Lonestar doesn't, like smartloc. Lonestar doesn't have a smartloc. It should, but it doesn't. But we'll probably add that later. So if you like this video, or if it helped you, comment or like it. Either way, I don't care. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I post stuff on TikTok a lot more because it's easier. Filming YouTube videos is hard. So see you later.